So which way now are we going? Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Harcourt City. In today's video, we are going to explore the city to see how beautiful and cool this city looks like. Remember, on my previous videos, I told you guys that I'm going to start a traveling video, which I have started already. So today, we're going to travel from our Imba City to Harcourt City with train. Just in case you don't know where this station is, you can find this station at Abobo Road. So this is the first train station I've had, and also the first train to travel from our part to Harcourt City. So if you're new on this channel, you can also check my previous videos about this particular project. I've reviewed about this project on my previous videos. You can also check on my videos. This station you're seeing here start working on 1st of May, and that is when the first train took off from our Imba City to Harcourt City. So currently now the station is still working, the train is still working. So the first thing we did is just to get our own ticket. So you have to buy your own ticket so that you can access the train. So we bought a first class ticket. The train has a first class ticket and also a second class ticket. So we bought a first class ticket, which is 1,500, and the second class ticket is 800 naira. So if you are traveling to Aba to Harcourt City, this is how much you will pay for the first class and the second class. And also, don't throw away your ticket. So we are moving to the first class right now. Okay, so what you're seeing here is the first class. The first class has a very unique contentment, like you feel so comfortable on the seats. It has a very private space. So this is what you're going to use. So the train usually leaves from about to Harcourt City by 3 p.m. every day, and also come back by 8 a.m. every day in the morning. So this is what we use, me and my friend travel with you all. That's my friend over there. So that is what we use. So that day we left about by 3 p.m. to Harcourt City, just to explore how beautiful and how cool Harcourt City looks like. So please stay with me on this video, don't go anywhere. Here we are leaving. We left by 3 p.m. to Harcourt City, and that's just a 2 hours journey from our bar to Harcourt City. 2 hours journey. So if you ask me, I'll say that the train will be more faster and comfortable. There's nothing like hold up. So what makes it to be that long? Like what makes it to be 2 hours is not that the train moves straight. The train usually stop on each station to pick passengers. So if the train moves straight, that means you're going to get to Harcourt City within 1 hour 30 minutes. So the train stops several times to pick more people on each station. And one thing I love so much about the train is that it has staffs. So if you bought your ticket, you have to keep the ticket. The staff will ask you about the ticket, and when they ask about the ticket, if you do not give them the ticket, maybe you lost it or anything, they may throw you out of the train. That's funny, guys. So they may throw you out. So they ask us about the ticket. So we stop at Pratamadi junction, like that is where they stopped us at Pratamadi at Harcourt City. You see. So the train is so high. So if you're coming down from the train, you have to be very, very careful. We stop at Pratamadi. This is so awesome. This is my first time of using a train to travel any part of the world. This is my first time I'm entering a train. So guys, we're going to explore so many cities. Please tell me on the comment section the next city you want me to visit, because we're going to explore both in and outside Nigeria. So we are asked to come down gently. You can see. So this is where we stop at Trasamade. This is not the station. The station is still a little bit far. So we came down based on where we are going to. We not further return to the station. So if you reach your destination, you have to come down. So inside the train, people were talking about this particular project that some said that the price is cheap, while some said that the price is costly. So I don't know. I want to hear from you guys. I want to know what you guys think. Remember, the first class is 1,005, while the second class is 800 naira each person. So I want to know what you think because this is my first time using the train. I don't know whether the price is cost or it's cheap. So if you are a traveler, maybe you travel from Port Harcourt to Aba or from Aba to Port Harcourt City, I want to know what you think about this project. Whether you think that the price is cheap or costly, because this is my first time using a train. This is my life. So we are talking about the train. They were saying that they need something more better than this. They need a speed train. But I don't know. But they are forgetting that everything starts with a step. I think that the government is taking it one after the other. So guys, I want to know what you think on the comment section. Tell me how what you think, whether the price, the trend on the comment section, because we need to know. So I'm going to show you guys some part of Port Harcourt City. What you are seeing here is Trasamade Street in Port Harcourt City. I'm going to bring more of this video on this channel. So guys, I have more of this video to show you guys on this channel. So if you're a first timer and you have not subscribed to my channel, that means you're going to miss more of my videos because I have interesting videos to show you guys about Port Harcourt City. So we're going to explore some part of this city together on this channel. Then we now move to the next city. So tell me the city you want me to visit next, like I said before, on the comment section. So guys, tell me the next city you want me to visit next, and that will be the next city we are going to visit. So right now I'm going to show you guys some part of Harcourt City, and more of this video is still coming on this channel. So if you want more of this video, please stay with me, subscribe to my channel so that you guys will be getting more of my videos on this particular channel. Please stay with me to the end of this video, don't go anywhere.